In case you can't read that very well, I know there's a lot of houses. This is Notre Dame, Indiana. Specifically, I'm looking at the two lakes, St. Mary and St. Joseph. This is for my path and my polygon. This is a video for that. And basically, when I was in high school, we would run these two lakes. We would run over from my high school, and then we would run the two lakes. And I was always told that the lakes were around a mile each. I think St. Joseph was a little bit bigger. So what I chose to do for my path was to actually measure how long the lake was. And so I will show you my path. So this is my path, and I just drew it pretty quick. In case you can't tell, it should be on the path. It's kind of hard to see sometimes, but that's okay. And a cool tool that I found to use with this is the elevation profile. So as that goes out a little bit, let me pull this down. Okay, so this shows the elevation, and so I can actually show you where I'd run. I'd usually start right where that arrow is, and I would run. And we would run this whole entire path, and what's funny is I can see as I'm doing this the rocks in my head and the kind of the path that I'm taking. And so this is my elevation and how high above sea level. It says the max slope, the average slope, elevation gain and loss between all of it. And then the distance is 3.52 kilometers. So if I go over to my runner's path and I get my info, the measurement is, I don't know if you can see that, is 2.19 miles. So it is a little bit longer than 2 miles, like my coach has always told me, and so that's pretty cool. So the other thing that I looked at was the runner's polygon. So I made a polygon of my running, and so this is pretty cool. I just basically retraced my path just like I did with the path, and then I was going to do the area in the perimeter, but I couldn't find it. I think it's only offered on Google Earth Pro, which we don't have, obviously. So this is basically pretty much it, and I can just go through, and you can see at the bottom of the screen the elevation's changing and the longitude and latitude, and so I think it's pretty cool. I think that shows me a lot of cool things, and I'm able to do a lot if I want to look at anything else. But that's my runner's path and my runner's polygon. Have a good day.